So one question I get all the time when people are looking to buy a business is, where do I get money to buy a business? And that's a really good question. So unlike when you start a business from scratch yourself and you need all your own capital, if you're buying an existing business, very often you'll find that a seller will provide financing for you to buy their business. Why do they do this? Well, it makes it easier for them and easier for you, and it's just easier for the deal to go through. So the seller will actually loan you the money and file a note, generally with the state, and payback terms. One thing though you have to be careful of is that the penalties if you default or stop paying on the loan might be pretty severe, potentially including the seller taking the business back, which is something you don't want. So before you enter into any kind of loan agreement with the seller of a business or you purchase a business, it's very wise to get some kind of legal counsel involved. Another way to finance a business purchase is to use personal savings, credit cards. A lot of people use a home equity loan. One thing to be able to watch out with these things is that they will affect your personal credit and your personal finances. Because even if you set up an LLC or some other entity, it's a brand new entity and you're going to find that people always want a personal guarantee when you're just starting out in business. So make sure again that you get really good counsel before agreeing to any kind of personal financing terms. Finally, some people think that they can apply for a small business loan when first starting out a business. What they find very quickly is that if you don't have a track record of business revenues, it's very difficult to get a business loan. So it kind of becomes a chicken and an egg problem. How do you have a successful business without being able to get money? But how do you get money without having a successful business? So small business loans are generally easier to get once you've been in business for about 2 to 3 years and you have existing revenues. If you're thinking about buying a business and have any questions about financing or looking over documents to buy a business, feel free to reach out to my office for a quick 15-minute conversation about buying a business. Thank you.